Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing this look. If you want to see how I got it, um, please keep watching. So now I'm just doing my eyebrows. I'm first brushing them out with this brush, and I guess once I find the correct things, now, oh yeah, that's right. So now I'm about to put some moisturizer on my face. It's a really good moisturizer from Clinique, and it makes your skin so soft. I like to put it all over, and especially on my neck, because you definitely show your aging when it's on your neck. So always put moisturizer on your neck. Do not forget your neck. No matter what, don't forget your neck. You don't want to show your aging in your neck, that's for sure. And from there, I'm gonna now continue brushing my eyebrows, and I'll finally find the eyebrow product, which is the Dip Brow Pomade that will be using, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I really like this um, product. I do find that it is quite drying, but once you like put the brush into it, you're gonna do a little swirl or whatever. Kind of, it's easy to pick up, and then once you apply it onto your eyebrows, it just looks nice. You don't have like that ugly red tint that sometimes you'll get from certain brow products. It definitely has a nice finish and a good look to it. So I highly recommend the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills line. Um, it's just a really good product to use whenever you're doing your eyebrows for sure. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing right here. Just um, lining my brows and then filling them in, and then I'll be blending them in soon because you gotta line, fill, blend, repeat. Line, fill, blend, repeat. It's just a whole process when it comes to your eyebrows. But Lord knows your eyebrows tie your whole look together. So you definitely gotta have your eyebrows right in order for your look to look right, you know? So it's a pretty big deal to have your eyebrows right. So I'm just blending it out now. Definitely blending. Blend, 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 blend is what I'm doing at this point. And yeah, just gotta continue blending. Just blend away. Oh yeah, and then so you know you can always use a Q-tip if you want to like erase some errors in your blending, or you can just use your fingers. I normally go with my fingers to like clean up my eyebrows, and then I was goofy there. Oh man. All right, so now to the next eyebrow. Just doing some work on that eyebrow. And it looks like here I'm just putting the eyebrow gel on my eyebrows. And now I'm starting with the eyeshadow. I'm using this Too Faced palette. I got it from Sephora's little bonus line. It's a really nice, simple palette if you're just learning how to do your eyebrow, or not do your eyebrows, but your eyeshadow, and you're trying to learn how to do transition colors and just have a beautiful look. I highly recommend that. Oh, right before I like finished doing a transition color, I ended up adding some brow highlight because I don't like adding it after your eyes are done because it just kind of like it. I don't like it when the highlight falls. So I'd rather just add the highlight before I start my eye makeup. Sometimes I forget though, obviously. And so yeah. And here we are back to doing the eyebrows. I mean, not the eyebrows, but the eyeshadow. Just going to town on that, blending away. Just gotta keep blending. Just keep blending. And adding more product. And blend and add, blend, add, blend, add. You don't want to go in first hand heavy. You definitely want to start off lightly with the colors, and builds it up, because if you go in hard with it, it's kind of hard to take away from the harshness, opposed to just going in soft with it and then building up on the product. So yeah, and just blending away some more. And now I'm about to do my eyeliner. I like to do my eyeliner first and then to do my lashes, so it kind of creates that closure when it comes to your lashes and your eyes. I like eyeliner with my lashes. I used to not be so big on eyeliner, but once I realized how much of a difference it makes, I'm like all for eyeliner when you put your lashes on now. Unless you get eyelash extensions, and I don't think you need it. But yeah. And so, excuse me. So yeah, just going in with that. And now I'm curling my lashes before I put the lashes on, because I like to lift my lash. So once I did the eyelash curler, I just put some mascara and then I put some eyelashes, as you can see now. Now I'm just putting on the foundation. I'm using a sponge. Well, first I used the big sponge, and now I'm using a smaller sponge just to get the smaller areas and to blend it nicely or closer to certain edges. So after that, I'm just continually to blend even down to my neck, because you don't want to forget your neck. Whatever you do, don't forget your neck. And now I am putting on concealer underneath my eyes with some LA Pro concealer in a medium beige. I'm using a small sponge again to get those areas. So yeah. Now I'm about to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder with the little puff. Just dabbing it on there, just dabbing it on there. And then, gotta go ahead with the poses. Yes, yes, yes. And now I'm about to use my shade and contour palette from Kat Von D to contour my cheeks and my face. Just contouring even under my neck. Contouring under my neck. And contouring on my close to my forehead. Just contouring everywhere, just because I like to contour. I like to do that. And now I am contouring my nose. I am using this flatter kind of brush just to contour and get a better precise contour there. And now I'm about to use another brush well, first I'm wiping off the excess powder on my face, and then I will be blending out my nose so it's seamless and blended. We don't want harsh lines. No harsh lines in 2018. Well, I say that, but everybody has their preference. So yes, blending away and making everything nice. Now I'm using my Laura Mercier. This powder I got, it's so nice. It kind of gives you that glow kind of look, but also it's a nice little, it's a compacted kind of powder. It's just really nice, and I like it on my face. It just looks nice and pretty, and it makes it look flawless more, or more flawless, more flawless. And now I'm using my Melba powder blush from MAC. I really like this blush. It's like almost like a coral kind of color, but not really. I don't know. It's really nice though. And now there's my Ofra Cosmetics Glow Goals highlighter. Oh, it's so amazing. Definitely recommend it. I use a brush and then I use a sponge to blend it out because I just don't like that stripe that I see sometimes on other people. I like it blended. It just looks nicer when it's blended, and I put it on my nose and my cupid's bow, and then I added more blush just to blend it out a little more. And now I'm putting some lip liner on, and I'm about to blend that with just my fingers because I mean, you know, well, just my fingers. I just don't really see the, any other reason not to. And I'm adding my favorite, one of my favorite lip glosses, this Lorac Goddess lip gloss. It's beautiful. Highly recommend it. Got it from Ulta. So amazing. I like it a lot. And I'm adding some inner highlight to my eyes. And in my waterline, I'm adding some color too, which is a new color, and mascara as well. And yeah, just doing that. I'm about to add some Tatcha setting spray as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.